What makes a great boss? On one hand, bad bosses don't solicit suggestions from their people because they think they're just superior like that. Great bosses, on the other hand, despite their positions, remain to be humble and are the most absorbent sponges. When they don't know an answer to a question, they simply ask. When we know that a boss genuinely cares, we feel more secure and safe. We know that we're not just making money for someone else. And that's a great feeling that everyone deserves in this world. Great bosses treat you like a rock star. They are your Jedi and they commit to making you a better person and pass on what they've learned to you as well. They ask for your career aspirations and they design a ladder so they can fast forward your career towards success. This is what great bosses do. Great bosses clear the path, bad bosses dictate it. In this time and age, how do you want to be remembered as a boss? My latest book, Fast Forward, is now available in all leading bookstores. For more information, log on to jonathanyabut.com.